Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Google Chrome browser settings. And in this video, I'll show you on how to update your Google Chrome browser on your laptop. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, come to the top right here. Next thing you want to do is to click on these three dots right here, and then this is going to go down right here. Then scroll down right here until you get to settings right here. Go ahead and click on settings. And how you are here, next thing you want to do is scroll down right here and make sure you navigate to about Chrome right here. Go ahead and click on about Chrome. So immediately you click on about Chrome, the update will start checking, provided that you are connected to internet. So just allow everything to update and see Chrome is up to date. So in a few minutes or seconds, your Chrome will be up to date and you are going to enjoy your first browsing experience with your Chrome. It's that simple. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how best to use your Chrome browser on laptop, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.